Today we're making this delicious cherry pie. Check out my last video on how to make flaky buttery pie crust. Pit your cherries, a cherry pitter is an absolute must, and then halve the cherries. I combined a vanilla bean with the granulated sugar and added to the cherries along with some cornstarch, brown sugar, salt, and lemon juice. Give that a mix. Now it's time to roll out our pie crust. I like to roll it into a 13-inch round. Rotating the pie crust will help prevent it from sticking to the counter. Then you want to roll it over your rolling pin and then lay it over your pie dish. Roll out the second pie disc. I'm doing a lattice, so I cut it into 2-inch strips. Add the filling to the pie crust, and then explaining how to do a lattice is really hard, so just watch this video. Also, you can go to my blog for the full recipe. Trim the edges with some kitchen scissors and then fold the edges under. I like to do a little crimp all the way around, and I also like to freeze my pies for 15 minutes before I bake them. Brush the top with some egg wash and then top it with a little turbinado sugar. This pie is perfectly sweet. It's the most delicious, buttery, flaky crust. I absolutely love cherry pie, and I hope you do too.